Good morning, guys. It's the next morning and did not sleep all that well. The mattress, it's a comfy mattress, I will say that. It's great for being brand new, and thank you, Robert and Crystal, for it. A little issue happened over just using a brand new coffee pot, and so my mood has shifted right now, so hopefully I can get it back and hang out with everyone, but right now I'm choosing not to. So, but the night was pretty cool. I liked having... Anyway, a little disruption, but yeah, I guess everyone's bitching about the train. Don't care. Music to my ears, I'm used to it. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna chill, be by myself for a little bit until my mood can shift back to being happy and wanting to hang around people. With that, I'll see you guys later. Okay, it's just a few moments later and got my coffee. Yes, I am. I do not hide it, but people might Anyway, I'm still kind of refusing to go socialize. Yeah, but at least I got my coffee. This is the most important thing right here. It's words of my favorite YouTuber, Remy. 5 big sips. I'll have water. So, a nice big sip of coffee. Yummy. Ah, so good. And my husband did use our percolator to make our coffee. So, it's really good coffee. Anyway, I think I'm gonna finish this. I've got most of it gone before I even started filming, but anyway. It's actually a really chilly morning, and I had to put my hoodie on. My Cabela's hoodie, but yeah. And I'm dealing with a headache at that too. And then my knee is like really killing me from the hike yesterday. Hike, whatever you want to call it, walk, I don't know. So yeah, pretty sure after I finish this, I'm gonna have to make a mad dash to the bathroom. So that's just kind of weird because I'm used to not having bathrooms. The woods was your bathroom. This one actually has facilities for you to use, bathroom and showers. The only thing I don't like is it's got a lot of spiders in it. So, but again, I'm gonna finish my coffee, and I will catch y'all later. Caitlin! Hi, baby.
Angel.
Angel. Angel. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the...
So what can I show 'em?
That's Robert and Crystal's tent. Then you got Briar, Johnny, and Crystal's mom. Tent all over there. Their vehicle. Doofus. Ours.
And the Taj Mahal.
And that's where Robert's truck is parked. He's currently went to the store.
That's the Ritz-Carlton.
And then the Ritz-Carlton. Like, seriously. If I had the money, I'd buy this off of them. Because they said they're getting rid of it. It's too big. So, and then trees.
A willow.
And the willow way over there.
Willow! Hey, Willow!
The willow! Willow. Hi, baby.
Oh, Angel.
Angels.
Angel. Hey. Oh, woof. Oh, woof.
Yes, stranger danger. Yes, stranger danger. Look, there's my Willow. There's my Willow. Oh, my Willow. Yes, my Willow. Yes, my Willow. This is Willow,
Oh,
guys.
I found a spot.
This is Willow.
Scratching my arm up. I found a spot.
She loves her auntie. She loves her aunties. Aw. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She loves her.
There's Caitlin coming in the frame.
And Miss Jealous Pants over here. Ooh, somebody farted.
Probably her.
Somebody farted. Somebody farted. I needed to figure out who did.
She won't let me
I'll be back.
record.
Hey guys, so we made it to the lake and I'm like hot. I think I'm already like burning. Like, holy shit. I was just fishing for a minute, but I gave up. I totally gave up. I'm done. So, yeah. He's still down there trying to do something. I don't know. The other crew, they're on the other side swimming, so we're just away from everyone. I'm thinking I need to go to shade before I really fucking burn. I need to like kind of do this kind of number. Seriously, it's fucking hot. It's not putting my hair up in a hat. Keeping it off me would keep me nice and cool. No. I was in the water, just up to my knees, kind of. Yeah, I really don't. I'm not much of a water kind of person, if you say. And I think that stands for because I can't swim. That's a fact a lot of people really don't know. I can't swim. But I like the water. Kenny Kiss 22 would have, after what I just said, don't like the water, but I like the water, but yeah. So. And like where we're at, it's not flat to get to the water. We have a little incline right here that goes down. And with my knee, can make it very hard. So yeah. Caitlin likes the water. She's figured out. I didn't really understand that dogs kind of instinctively know how to swim. And so yeah. She took on it like a champ. This is not her first time. We went to Boulder Beach over in like Idaho, Spokane, I guess. Not the one at like Silverwood, that. But there's an actual like water area that they call it. Went there with a now ex-friend that I met through my so-called brother-in-law. Whole different story, whole different. The things to say to that are things I can't really post here or anywhere really. Like that's something with social media. We literally can't be real on social media. Like seriously, the moment we're real is the moment we're flagged, we're banned, we're this, we're that. We get violations, we get this. Like, it's stupid and pathetic, really. Like, this is real life. It doesn't matter what. But, yeah. Can I help you? Never mind, you're beyond help. So yeah, I have an itchy nose. Crap. I lost my train of thought now. Yeah. I really don't want to make this too long because I don't want to have to edit for too long when I get home. Which I was told it was going to be Tuesday. I don't even know when I'm going home at this point. I have to go home soon because, you know, I don't have any clothes. So yeah. And if you can hear all that in the background, they're over there somewhere. But anyway, I'm gonna like do that because I don't want like okay. He's already lost 2 different lures and stuff. He thinks he probably did not have them tied right. And there's a possibility this lake is not stocked anymore. Picked over. I don't know. We're just off the shore fishing. We're not, like I said, me swimming, no, I'm afraid of boats. So yeah. On that note, my phone is starting to feel really hot. I'm starting to feel really hot. I need to go find a way to cool down. Probably walk my ass back down to the water. So yeah. He's still fishing. We've moved spots. We were over there. Now we're over here. I wish I brought my bikes, because then I could have biked him up and we could hear him talk. But I forgot the bikes. Here's the Aderlin. But like I said, I'm actually learning that bank fishing isn't for me unless there's somewhere like actually straight out flat to go. So I think I'm pretty much a dock kind of fisher. That's a log, or somebody's asleep on their paddleboard. That's funny. Hello. So yeah. So yeah, I'm kind of bored, honestly. I'm having fun, to say the least. I'm having fun, but I'm bored. Yeah. That's all I can say is I'm bored. I'm trying to not make these clips so boring, but it's like I'm starting to feel like I'm just doing the whole content thing. Like I'm just recording for content. And I don't ever want to feel like that. So yeah. Maybe later, you know, but for right now, I'm bored. Everyone else left. It's just myself, my husband, my brother Robert. his name already. And Johnny. I think in one of my other clips I said his name, but yeah. You know, we almost lost our worms, by the way. That was something. I was already back up here, up on the bank and at the table, and my husband turns around. He goes, "Oh look, there goes our worms." They were literally not too far, but far. So we had to kind of yell for someone to come and swim and rescue the worms. So, yeah. I've almost at the point to where I wish I would have known that some people were leaving, because I probably would have said, "Hey, can I come with you? Is there room?" Oh well. But I'm just gonna sit here, cool off, because I'm hot. See, I'm just hot. Anyway, I'm probably gonna take a nap. I don't know. Fuck. We'll catch you all in my next clip, and pray for me that I don't get too sunburned. This camera's picking up what appears to be sunburn, so yeah. Good almost afternoon, everyone. It's been quite the morning. It started out great. No issues this morning. No issues with coffee, nothing. The only issue we just had is Caitlin tried to go after a chipmunk and totally broke away from her harness. Luckily, my brother went to into the city a little bit and managed to find her one. My mood totally completely shifted. I'm irritable. I'm pissed. I'm upset. I'm everything, but trying to hang in there, and yeah. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I am just so rattled, and whatever you want to call it. It's just, yeah. It's something, and it's hot. During the day, it is so fucking hot. At night, it is so fucking cold. And and I just cover up with a sheet. Well, he has the actual blanket because he gets cold super easy. So good bless America. The moment I don't want to use my phone, I don't want to film, I don't want to do anything, no alerts come through. The moment I pick it up, I want to start filming. Here we are. And there is something I needed to mention, the elephant in the room. I have facial hair. This is completely side story, but I'm very self-conscious about it. I'm very everything about it. But I'm at the point where I just need to just, I have PCOS. I have the facial hair. I try to take care of it. I try to do this, try to do that. And yeah, I'm always constantly trying to hide it. I use filters. I do everything I can to try to mask it because I am so self-conscious about it. I literally will break down in tears because I've been bullied. That's just a little random side story that I figured I'd get out the room. So if you constantly see me doing this, it's for reasons. But anyway, I think they're back. So I will go handle that and catch you all later. I don't know if we're going to the lake or not. It's going to talk about it. So So yeah, I need to go figure out what's going on. Anyway, catch y'all later.
You know what? She's fine, right there. Hello there.
It's a doofus. Back at the lake, people.
No, she does not. Stop.
Hey, you're fine. Lay down.
What are you doing? He's staring right at me while I'm filming. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come in.
I don't chance snagging the
Ah. Hey guys, so I chose to move to a shaded spot. I was over there where Robert's dad is, right there. He's also named Robert. But as you can see, I'm done. This is just from yesterday. So, yeah. So I thought I'd move. I'm more kind of by myself a little bit. Hubs is right there, over here, or wherever I can point, like right there. Wherever, like seriously, like. And guess what? He was fishing and he caught these out of the lake. So they're mine now. Huh, and they fit perfectly. Wow. Like, they fit perfect. So I now have sunglasses. I don't need to buy me a pair, and I was going to, because all my sunglasses that I do have are like the stupid little ones you can get from like parades and stuff like that, and you know, like where the sides have like the company, you know, like I've got a pink pair which I won't get rid of because it says T-Mobile, and I'm bummed because today is T-Mobile Tuesday and it's a clear stadium bag right now, and I am not near T-Mobile. Like, I'm so freaking bummed. And I know I can't really ask anyone else that I know has T-Mobile, because maybe they want to go get it for themselves, or they're in locations where I guarantee know that there's no more left. So kind of is what it is, but oh, I like this spot. This is like the best spot right here. I now know that when I come here, I can actually say where I'm at because I'm not going to be here when I post this. So we are currently Lake Easton. We are staying at the Lake Easton State Park. So it's pretty nice actually, and they clean the bathrooms. The only thing is, I will say there are lots of spiders that do hang out. They hang out up on the ceilings and stuff. I think the closest that I've seen them is like kind of, one was on the handicap stall, like the side of the door. So like here's the side, and then I can't really do it. So the side and the door, it was on this. I didn't know until I opened the door and was going to shut it. I was like, oh, hi. But, you know, harmless little spiders. What are you going to do? Don't like them. Okay, you know, I am that person that will set a house afire. I'm not, okay, not totally. Okay, don't, like, take that with a grain of salt. Like, I'm not going to actually set a house on fire. But you guys get the drift, right? You know, y'all have brains. I hope. But yeah, some of you are probably going to ask, why am I not in the water? As I think I've said, one, I can't swim. So I only go as far as I can or feel comfortable with going. So yeah. But yeah. Let's see if he can, let's watch him cast.
Standing there at the marker.
Oh, pretty far. We're thinking that we might not catch anything. Just because there is a lot of people and the noise and stuff like that could be scaring them away, could be keeping them away. But at the same time as at our old spot that we had yesterday, there was like a school of tadpoles or baby fish. I don't know what they were, but yeah, they were up on the bank, kind of towards the bank a little, the shallow part. He's caught, he said. So, other crews out over there. They're right there. I think Nadine, which is Crystal's mom, Crystal, Robert, and Robert's mom, Mary, is out there. By the way, she is also the one in my other videos. She's right there. Not a smart move. But, and then Robert's two dogs, I think, are out there. And Crystal's out there. What? You broke it? You forgot to get the stuff off the table.
Hey, Nadine's still over there. Huh?
Your phone, the speakers, are all in the sun. They said you were gonna grab them before you went back in. And they're right there. Get that way, get that way, get that way.
Honey?
Alright, I lost him now because I had to pause because the doofus would not move. So, let's back out. See a doofus in his natural habitat. So,
This is a good idea.
it's very cool over here.
I'm telling you that I said that you had a very good idea. And maybe you did.
I'm recording, so it's.
It is my thoughts for deniability.
Yup. Hey, Angel.
Hey,
Hey, our buddy is back. What should we name him? He is just chilling. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end it. It's been quite a few days, as you can tell. I am officially back home. I've been back home since probably around 11ish. It's now 3:54 and I'm exhausted. Not only did we get home, but I also found out I got paid. So I found out that there's a Dollar General over in the next town over, and I had to go check it out. So it was for things we actually needed. Some things we kind of were like, hey, this is cool. And I got some things to start my fairy garden. I'm not gonna do like a big one, just something little small, little, you know, something little small I can do. I'm thinking about maybe I might want to do like beer barrels, flower size pots, and do like houses one side or something, or you know, I really don't know what I want to do, but you know, hubby said I could. If it's gonna bring me joy, he said I could. So what else? The animals were well taken care of. I don't have any issues like I did a few weeks ago when we went to empty out our storage and came back to litter boxes not done, water bowl empty, blinds not up. You know, there were some issues, but none this time. So I'm very happy with what they were given this time, because you know, I keep my animals on a schedule, and I really like my sitters to do that as well. And yes, I am very, very burnt. Sorry, I think I accidentally hit the stop button trying to show you this, but I got some bad scratches on my back from the boys, because they tend to like to jump on you, and murder mitts like to come out, and I get why the fear of falling, but yeah. Hubs just went and took trash out, get rid of everything that we opened up to put away. Basically, I found some things in like a whole bunch of like dollar stuff. I found the Touchland dupe hand spray. Found a couple of those in, it was I think my husband said it was sunflower mist or something was the scent. Smells really good. I got the last two in the dollar section. So we actually wandered the whole entire store. Small, nothing too major. I am going to, because I follow some couponers that actually show you weekly deals, and I'm actually gonna start doing that. Start figuring out how I can like save a whole lot, you know, more bang for my buck. But anyway, I am gonna go and chill for a little bit, because husband and I, we're not cooking, we're not doing anything. So I said, let's just go over to Buzz Inn, have a nice little sit down dinner that's not fast food. Yeah. So with that, I'm going to end this, and I hope it wasn't too boring for you. I tried to record as much as I could. I was hoping my brother, Robert, I know you're probably gonna watch this, I was hoping you would have gotten some GoPro footage out in the lake. I don't know if you remember to bring it or not, but maybe another time. And you know, as we all talked about, I really would love to make this an annual thing. So with that, I will let y'all go. Big hugs, lots of love.